Looking to diversify your portfolio with real estate? DiversyFund makes high-quality commercial real estate accessible to everyone. This platform focuses on growth-oriented assets, specifically multifamily properties, and offers a straightforward investing model. DiversyFund pools investments to acquire and renovate value-add apartment complexes, boosting market value and rental income for long-term capital growth. What sets DiversyFund apart is its accessibility. With a minimum investment of just $500, anyone can invest in real estate previously limited to institutional investors. DiversyFund's hands-on approach means they own and operate their properties, controlling costs and maximizing profitability. Their growth-focused model reinvests dividends for maximum long-term returns. This means it's ideal for long-term growth, but not for those seeking regular income. Transparency is key. Track your portfolio's progress through an intuitive dashboard with regular updates and performance reports. DiversyFund offers an accessible entry point into commercial real estate with a focus on growth and long-term value appreciation. Its low minimum, multifamily focus, and hands-on management make it a strong choice for portfolio diversification. Check the links below to explore DiversyFund and see if it aligns with your investment goals. This review should help you decide if DiversyFund is right for your real estate journey.